How to change a flat tire, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Today, I'm here to share with you an essential skill that every driver should have, changing a flat tire. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, knowing how to change a flat tire can save you from being stranded on the side of the road. In this short presentation, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of changing a flat tire. Importance of knowing how to change a flat tire. Being prepared and self-reliant on the road. Avoiding being stranded or waiting for assistance. Enhancing safety and minimizing potential risks. Necessary tools and equipment. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools and equipment. 1. Spare tire. 2. Jack. 3. Lug wrench. 4. Vehicle owner's manual. 5. Flashlight, optional. 6. Wheel wedges, optional, for additional safety. Step 1. Find a safe location. Move to a safe spot away from traffic. Ensure the ground is stable and level. Engage the parking brake. Step 2. Locate and remove the flat tire. Consult the owner's manual to find the location of the spare tire and tools. Loosen the lug nuts. Do not remove them yet. Use the jack to lift the vehicle off the ground. Refer to the owner's manual for the correct jacking points. Completely remove the lug nuts and set them aside in a safe place. Step 3. Install the spare tire. Carefully remove the flat tire and set it aside. Align the spare tire with the wheel bolts. Push the spare tire onto the wheel bolts. Hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. Step 4. Lower the vehicle and tighten lug nuts. Use the jack to lower the vehicle back to the ground. Remove the jack carefully. Use the lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Double check each lug nut for tightness. Step 5. Verify and properly store the flat tire. Confirm that all lug nuts are secure. Place the flat tire in the trunk or designated storage area. Avoid leaving the flat tire unsecured. Congratulations! You now know how to change a flat tire. Remember, practice makes perfect, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the process before you actually need to do it. By following these steps and being prepared, you can confidently handle a flat tire situation and continue your journey safely. I hope this presentation has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle a flat tire situation. Stay safe on the roads, and remember to always be prepared. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to be notified first when a new video is uploaded. See you next time on another video.